we're here with the car, right? Okay, I got my Walbro fuel pump, fuel filter, sensors, and the rest of the drinks for the pump. And look at this. I'm in my car. Facts. So, sell, pump. If you're a 2+0. When you're doing this, please just open the gas cap real quick. Let it right, and then depressurized. So there's this plate if you have a 2+0. If you have a 2+2, it should be like under here, right behind your head, you know. So screwdriver, that's all I really use. Screwdriver and an 8, I believe. And then you wiggle it. And then I use like some type of plier to have that clamp out. I have the fuel pump out. And as you can tell, bag is kind of dark. It's pretty... Just cover it when you take it out. Fuel pump's out, as you can see. So, I put these to get a, you know, fuel pump. Oh, I see what they mean. So these two needs to be cut. Two of them. Where's the first one? I don't know. But I can solder it, so I think I'm just gonna solder it. That they provided me. I'm up to zip tying the plastic. This one. You have no idea. I just gotta hold it here. I don't have anything else to hold it. And it's like hook it up to me. Look at this damn sensor. Like, this is why when you go places to do your motor, okay, take pictures. Take pictures. Anyway, it's nothing to be mad about. I'm changing it right now as we speak. As the snow comes down, it's so cold. I have no clue